GML20 and GML50 professional job site radios, the world's first job site radios with integrated subwoofer. Both of these can be powered by a standard mains supply or also by Bosch 14.4 and 18-volt lithium-ion batteries. Both job site radios offer unbeatable surround sound with their subwoofer and 4 speakers. The power boxes have versatile connection options. For example, you can connect your MP3 player to the USB or Aux-In ports, or you can connect other playback devices. The job site radios also have 2 plug sockets for even more flexibility. The power box is extremely robust thanks to its spring-mounted aluminium frame and can even withstand being dropped from up to 3 meters. What's more, it's dust and splash protected. The GML50 Professional also has an integrated battery charger for all Bosch 14.4 and 18-volt lithium-ion batteries and a remote control for convenient operation. Job site radio redefined. 360-degree protection, 360-degree sound, the GML20 Professional with 20 watts and the GML50 Professional with 50 watts, integrated charging station and remote control.